mix. I'm not checking my watch hours. So what should I do? Wait. Yeah. Of course. Actually, I'm not active in YouTube because my cell phone is already dead. I mean, my cell phone is my cell phone now is in danger. Not species, but danger. Destroyed. What else? Destroyed. Yeah, so that's why I rejected her. That's why I rejected her or his call. I don't know who is he or she. Someone's interrupt my live stream. I don't know who is she or he, because you know, I think he's my basher. I think someone's calling from CIA. Chloe, I don't think so, but I think her name is Electric Fan, you know. Her name is Electric Fan. Stop calling, you know. Stop calling. I'm live streaming here. We have new viewers. Yamski Mix Vlog. Thank you for watching, and I will pin your comment. And you already have a jacket. But by the way, I'm not Kuya Will. So we have 1 minute left before I end this live stream. Shout out to all my viewers: Teta Vlogs, Miko Lasisi Music Mix, Share Your Story, Ronnie Harabel, Noni Carpena, Yamski Mix Vlog, and yeah, thank you. And we have new viewers again. Ramil underscore 179, and I will pin your comment and I will give you a jacket. And again, we have another viewers, Lucy Warren's World. Thank you for watching, Lucy Warren's World, and because of that, I will give you moderator, and I will pin your comment. Even you don't have comment, just you're just sending high five. So thank you for watching, and I will end this my live stream. My live stream is over. It's over now. My live stream now, it's over now.